start lying down with your knees bent up and your heels relatively close to your bum, and you can press your knees together. So from there you're going to pop your hands onto the side of your face and you're going to engage your core to lift your whole body up into a seated position. So bring your elbows up to touch your knees and then coming back down. Really squeeze your core and lift up. Or if that's a little bit hard, then we can do a modified